First, for TV control via infrared (IR), turn on your TV. Press and hold the TV button on the remote until the indicator light flashes. Enter the 4-digit code for your TV brand. For example, 756 for Samsung or 1142 for LG. These codes can be found in your remote's manual or on the Rogers website. Test the connection by pressing the power or volume buttons. If it doesn't work, try other codes for your TV brand. For enhanced features like voice control, Bluetooth pairing is key. Enable Bluetooth on the remote by pressing Home, Volume Up for 5 seconds. Then, pair it via your Ignite TV box or the Ignite app. This gives you seamless control within a 30-foot range. If your TV codes aren't working, try resetting the remote by removing the batteries for 10 minutes. Also, ensure you've updated the remote's firmware via the Ignite app. For pairing failures, make sure the remote is within range and without obstructions. Restarting your TV box or app can also help. Experiencing rapid battery drain? Use alkaline batteries. The remote's low power mode, which activates after 5 minutes of inactivity, can extend battery life to 6 to 12 months. If voice control is glitchy, repair the remote with your Alexa skills and clear the app cache on linked devices.